Good morning, kiddos. We're going to go over your daily language review. So correcting the sentences, we found an old tin horn, a rag doll, and a spinning top in Grandma's trunk. So we needs to be capitalized. Found an old tin horn, comma, a rag doll, comma, and a spinning top in Grandma's apostrophe trunk. So it should look like we found an old tin horn, comma, a rag doll, comma, and a spinning top, and Grandma should be capitalized. Missed that. Trunk. Alright, next sentence. I can't tie my shoes. Will you help me? I needs to be capitalized. Apostrophe after the N. Tie my shoes. So you can either do this as a comma, and then will you help me? Question mark. Or you can do this as a period and then a new sentence. So I'm going to do it with a period. Maybe. I can't tie my shoes, period. Will you help me? Question mark. The children are making a fort out of boxed. The children are making a fort out of old boxes. Where does the apostrophe go? It goes between the N and the S. Same with Joy's hymns. It's plural, there's multiple hymns. What does flock mean in the sentence? The brave dog guarded the flock of sheep while they grazed on the hillside. It was a bunch of animals. Then for your math 180, write the number word for 17. That looks like this. 75 plus 12, so 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. 62 minus 31, so if I write this off to the side, two minus 1 is 1. 6 minus 3 is 3. The answer is 31. 81 plus blank equals 46 plus 81. Trick question. 46. Draw the top view of the solid. The top view. Depends on which way you're looking at it. So, if we're looking at it just this way and it's laying like this would be the top view. If it was standing up, then this would be the top view. 1 o'clock. Count the tallies, 5, 10, 15, 20. And last but not least, name the two solids that cannot be stacked. Cylinder cone, sphere, any of those are solids that cannot be stacked.